What's going on, YouTube? Blash Media coming back at you again. And today we're gonna go to the store, buy some storage totes. Ah, she killed it! She killed it! So a little update on the G35. From what I understand, it still starts. I put a little tarp over it, so rain's not just in my engine, but I still got plans for it. You know, like I said, I'm still very busy working on other projects, so this is kind of on hold. But yeah, so I'm still working on this, guys. Still trying to do a review on that. That was my little detour. But yeah, so we're gonna go to the store, buy some storage totes. We're gonna start cleaning our house. So I just want to take you along with me. So where are we going first, babe?
Taco Bell.
No, like which store? Should we go to Target first?
Taco Bell. I'm hungry.
I guess we're going to Taco Bell because my wife's
Or do you want Taco Bell?
To waste my money.
Or do you want something else?
Hey, I might have to.
Okay,
I might have
Taco
to.
Bell.
I might have to.
About to get that $5 nacho fries box.
I might have to steal your car so I can start.
This video is not sponsored by Taco Bell.
Yeah, this video is not sponsored by Taco Bell, by the way. I don't have any sponsors yet, actually.
I'm your sponsor.
Okay, so what's the plan today, babe? We're gonna go to Taco Bell, stop by Winco.
Okay, we need to go to the pet store last because I'm getting fish for my tank today. Can you scoot over?
I'm fine.
So you can't really put a lot of this away.
So I'm not monetized yet.
Yeah, you
oh, I'm
make
keep
sure
that
you don't.
in the video.
No, make sure you don't.
I'm unsubscribing because I thought this was gonna be a BS for Build video. Shut the fuck up. I fucking said when I started this YouTube channel, I don't want to copy Chris from BS for Build. I want to do my own thing. But you know, it's really weird, that Graham guy, 9 months ago, he was only at like 8,000 subscribers. So literally in 9 months, he jumped that much. It's really, from 8,000 subscribers to 100 and like, I think he's at 105 now.
I'm so hungry. So hungry.
What is this RV doing?
You want to Taco Bell?
Look. He went from that lane all the way over. What an idiot.
Where are you going? Taco Bell's over
shit.
there.
Whoops. Sorry.
Oh my God, I'm so hungry. Why are you doing this to me?
I'm not. I just, for some reason, I'm like, fuck, I gotta get dishwasher detergent.
Yeah, and nobody hears about Maddie.
717.
And she fucked everybody's guys. Like, all these girls, their boyfriends. She fucked them all.
Hey, you got a stop sign, dumb bitch.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Fucking dude, they're literally still driving.
What are you doing?
Oh, I thought we were going inside.
Em, do you want to go inside?
Yeah, well,
okay, I'm just hungry. You're already here. Park, hurry up. I'm so fucking hungry.
Yeah, look at these starving children.
So if you do, I'm gonna come on there. Wow, it looks like you did that just for the views.
Hashtag unsubscribe. Hashtag dislike.
Yeah, I disliked all of your videos, too.
Seriously?
Yeah. Did
you really?
Yeah.
Me? Somebody did dislike some of my videos.
Yeah, it was me. I just told you. Oh, but you never know. He doesn't look really homeless.
Why is he begging with a sign made?
You know how many fakers there are?
So, at least Em knows in her heart that she did something good.
Okay, fine. What are you doing? Pull up next to him.
I know. I'm just gonna get out. I was gonna record my little sister giving food to somebody in need, but my wife's like, no.
How do you think people? Do you think he's happy? Him?
He's crying.
Is he really?
I think so.
Em, is he crying? Oh.
See? You just made the guy's day, Em. Good shit, Em. So this is what I want to do one day, like when it's like on Thanksgiving or Christmas. I just want to go buy like $200 worth of like burgers and just go out and give it to people.
I wanted to do that last year, but I couldn't. Mom was working.
Let's do that, Em. Because that's what Vitaly ZDTV did. He just went and bought $100 and then you did, and then people are just like happy. I know it feels weird, but it's like, who cares? Even if they don't eat it, it's like you know you did something good inside, you know? Why are you upset?
I wish that guy would have just taken the box and just kept living his life and not cried, because then it makes me feel really, really bad. That
Why?
Literally a fucking $5 Taco Bell box made him cry. That's how happy he was for a $5 Taco Bell box. It's just sad.
Gotta help people, man.
That if you're a homeless person, it's your own fault, and that it's easy to just go and get a job. It's like, no, it's actually not. People don't understand that. If you're homeless, it's not very easy to get a job because you don't have an address. In a lot of places, when you apply, they want an address.
Security cards.
Yeah, they don't have cards. They don't have money. People don't think that they're reliable. They don't have a place to shower. They don't have anything like that.
And let's do that one day, even if it's not even like a holiday.
Yeah, let's do it soon.
I would do it, but I just can't because it just makes me too sad.
You know, this turned into a homeless shelter, I think.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, they even got a little basketball thing too. And I heard there's one that opened up by our rental. Oh fuck.
It's fine.
Whoops, my bad,
You don't
lady.
have time to stop. She can chill out. The roads are for cars, not people.
Pedestrians don't matter.
Yeah, pedestrians don't matter.
This is where I feel like I'm gonna have issues with monetization because I cuss a lot.
I'm gonna stop or slow down at all.
I hear this all the time.
Can you chill out? You don't need to follow cars that close.
May, we're going 20 miles an hour.
So what if
We're going into Petco. Damn, chill out. We're going into Petco because my wife wants to get a fish for a friend for her Betta Fish. She thinks it's not gonna die because she thinks she's a fish expert. And he was very skinny, but he was very like just bulky. Yeah. We love Frenchies. We love Frenchies. We have 2 pugs, and the way
I love the smush faces.
Oh, hi, little
Don't try to get out. Don't try to get out.
Look like,
See, Frenchies are just pugs with pointy ears.
Yeah.
I love them.
Hi.
I know.
Vaccinations.
Oh, I see. We need to get a Rottweiler. And we have ferrets.
Hi, little ferrets.
That's so funny. So you said you're not gonna get a neon?
No, I wanted to get neon tetras, but the coloring is too similar to.
Weren't you gonna start a YouTube channel just strictly about betta fish?
I just told you that so I could get a fish.
Oh, you were little. See, this is what my wife does.
They're so. Look at this one.
Did the price on them go up?
Wow.
That's the ugliest fish I've ever seen.
These ones are just a little babies.
So cute. No.
This is what I deal with on a daily basis.
Okay, well you can't put this in your video.
Okay, go.
I would be so happy living in a house where, have you seen that girl who I watched her on YouTube a little bit, and she has like 30 animals or something? Most of them are in tanks. I don't remember what her name is. I don't know if I subscribed to her or not, but she's really, really pretty, and she has like a bunch of animals and she takes care of them, and they're all like in her room. Literally, that could be my life. I would have a house and I would just have fish tanks everywhere. I would have like a snake. I want a pet snake really bad, but I'll never
can't stand
you. I literally would just like go to work, come home, eat some food, and hang out with all of my animals, and I would be completely content in life. I like the color of it.
Somebody just get in an accident?
No.
Man, I missed my BRZ so much.
I know.
I miss
I want to.
And no,
I'm like
don't encourage him.
No, I'm like debating because I really want a GTR, but if I have like 4 agencies plus the daycare, if I don't sell it, I'm gonna be literally driving around all the time, and I don't know if I want to put that much miles on a GTR. Or I could buy a BRZ, make it like hella dope, put a Rocket Bunny kit on it,
Get a BRZ.
and just fucking drive because it gets good gas mileage and looks dope. What's going on YouTube? Sorry, I kind of just ended it, but so this is what I've been doing. Just been demoing this. So it looks like, so we had originally this laminate on top. They put that over this tile, which is just VCT, but we were gonna tear it off and then just have this green tile. We were just gonna scrub it, but then turns out there's a couple of holes. Just to remove all these tiles, and then we have a couple of laminate wood. So we got a bunch of this laminate flooring, also a bunch of like just wood. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. What's going on, YouTube? So it's the next day. Obviously I shaved, I look like a little child again. But for some reason my audio cut out after I recorded the laminate footage. So the audio was compromised. But just want to close this out now. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you feel about the whole homeless thing that my little sister and my wife did. You just want to record my day. I'm just trying this new format. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to Blash Media. We're going to do a video of us buying 100 hamburgers and just going around and giving it to homeless people. There's a lot of homeless here in Portland, Oregon. A lot of it's just because rental is so expensive nowadays, and people are, you know, opting into the RV like you saw in the video. So like I said, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, guys. Alright, guys, well, go make some money, go do something good to other people that are in need. Let's just make this world a better place. Have a good one.
KK Smile.